Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make my Japanese styled roast chicken. This is really simple, really easy and really budget. 100 grams worth of dried shiitake mushrooms, and I've cut those up a little bit finer than what I would normally do. Put those into a bowl and I'm going to cover those with some boiling water, and I'm going to leave those for around about an hour to 2 hours. You leave it up to you. A heaped tablespoon's worth of miso paste that goes in, and a quarter teaspoon's worth of sansho pepper, or also known as prickly ash. I'm going to add in probably 2 tablespoons worth of sake that goes in, same again of mirin that can go straight in, and all we have to do now is add a little bit of peanut oil, around about a tablespoon's worth, and give that all a really good mix through. Make sure we get that miso all incorporated into this. This is going to be our little base. I've tasted it, needs a little bit of salt, add a teaspoon or so of soy, a good quality one, give that a stir through, just like that. Okay, really simple. A family pack size worth of microwave rice. Yep, microwave rice. Put that straight into a bowl. Now it's going to be all clumpy and all stuck together, and what we need to do is get a spoon and break that up, right? Just like I'm doing right there, right? Just break all of that rice up, just like that, and I'm going to add in our mushrooms, which I've drained off, of course, and add those straight in. And if you haven't tried using dry shiitake mushrooms, you don't know what you're missing. 2 green onions, or spring onions, or scallions for you Americans, that can go straight in. Give that all a really good stir through. And it's going to make our stuffing and our side, right? A good little bit of lemon zest, lime zest, or yuzu zest, if you can find a yuzu. Alright, lemon zest will do for me tonight. We're just going to put that straight in, just a little bit. Give that all a good stir through, and those flavors work amazing. A little sprinkle of mirin onto the rice, and a little sprinkle of sake onto the rice, just to give it a little bit of extra moisture. Give that a bit of a stir through, just like that. Now here I've got a chicken. It's a 2 kilo chicken, or a size 20 in the old school, and all we have to do now is get the cavity of the bird open like that. Looks like it's yawning, and we're just going to add in some of our beautiful rice stuffing. Now, if you haven't tried stuffing a chicken with rice before, wow, the flavour you get at the end is amazing. So put that in, and all I'm going to do now is try and sew the rear end of the bird up using a bamboo skewer. Now, normally I do this really successfully, and today, with my MS, I'm struggling a little bit. I don't know why it did, but it was. Right, once we've got that all sewn shut, we're just going to break off the end of that bamboo skewer, just like that. And all we have to do now is make sure those legs aren't going to be getting out of control. So I'm just going to make a little bit of a noose, put that around one leg, and all I'm going to do now is bind those legs together. Right, we're going to bondage this bird. Right, so we're just going to get our string, get those legs tied together really nice and tight, just like that. And all we have to do is somehow make sure we tie off that string. Now, my MS was really playing up on this. I don't know why this happens when I film, but anyway, all we have to do, make a knot, and those little arms, wings, whatever you want to call it, front paws, we need to get those trussed together as well. I do have a video on the channel on how to truss a bird properly, and believe me, this is not it. Alright, so we're going to tie those wings together as well. Make sure they don't escape. We want to try and get as much moisture into this chicken as possible. Right, oven's already sitting at 180 degrees. We've got that little mixture that we just made with the miso. It's our basting. We're going to give that bird a bit of a brush, give that a little bit of coat of paint. That's going to go into the oven. Every half an hour, I'm going to take it out, turn it around, and give it another dose. About 2 tablespoons worth of mirin, about the same again of peanut oil, and about the same again of rice wine vinegar. That goes in. I'm also going to add in a little bit of salt, just like that. And this is our salad dressing. A salad, you say? Yep, we're going to make this amazing. Give that a little spritz of lemon juice, just like that. Or if you've got the yuzu or the lime, use that as well. Give that a bit of a stir through, just like that. And we're going to make up the most amazing side salad for this chicken. Okay, all right. So here I've got some rocket or Mizuna, if you can get hold of it. And I'm just going to add in our dressing. Now, use as much or little dressing as you like. If you like a light dressing, use a little bit. If you like a heavy dressing, use lots of it. Right, give that all a good dress through, just like that. Really, really simple. And I love the pepperiness of this. It really, really sets off everything that we've just done with our chicken. All right, time to serve up. Our chicken is done. Internal temperature, 74 degrees Celsius. Use a little bit of a thermometer. Always works out great. Put that down. Now, it might look burnt. It's not. It's just the marinade that is cooked off the way it has. We've got the sugars. We've got that beautiful miso. We've heated up our rice in the microwave, the leftover rice, of course. And we've put that in for about 2 minutes or so. Put that down. It's going to work out beautifully with this chicken. And the last thing I'm going to do is add a little bit of salad, and that pepperiness of the rocket works amazing with that chicken. Alright, love to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, or if you don't like this video, hit that subscribe button. Gives me confidence, helps the algorithm, all that really cool stuff. Leave a comment, love reading, love responding to them. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms and social media. Don't forget to check out the over 1,000 recipes on this channel that I have created. Anyway, hit that notifications bell. Be notified every time a new video goes up. In the meantime, I'm off to eat my Japanese style roast chicken, and I will catch you next time. Bye.